How much do you think?
Oh, we way over a foot.
Yeah, it's pretty.
The back sliding glass door, which I've never seen have snow on it before.
Since I started flying,
I went to let the dog out, and when I opened the door, that is
That's
maybe
at least
18 inches.
so
Do you have a ruler anywhere?
try to get in.
Yes. And we don't have stairs because it's one big drift. The neighbor plowed the driveway out a little while ago, and you can't really tell. That's the kitchen window above the sink.
Yeah, I was gonna leave it out there.
No, we're just gonna do a dipstick check.
Yeah.
No, I was gonna leave it out there so that way we don't have to go out again. I was just gonna measure this one off and then stick it out there. So
Oh, you won't blow away in the blizzard.
No,
not if it's stuck 18 inches in the snow.
He doesn't want to leave my teeth for out.
Oh.
Taking this outside. I'll be right back.
I don't know. But I'm getting in its messy room. All tape recorded. Oh, I think he's putting on snow pants.
Just to go 3 steps out there.
Yes. I'm wearing my lounging clothes.
I don't want to ruin your lounging clothes.
Besides, I don't usually get an excuse to wear my snow pants. Except for skiing.
And reach way out like this, so you don't disturb it with your feet. Because then it'll look like if you disturb it with your feet, it'll look like you skewed the results.
Yeah.
The deck was shoveled off when we started.
It had melted off from the
I'm
last.
only mostly a dude, yeah.
What?
I'm only mostly a dude.
I'm just trying to be helpful. Quit being mean.
So,
No, don't-
so let me get this right.
fix
You're
that.
going out in snow pants, boots, and a t-shirt?
No.
You're gonna go out for you're gonna shovel while you're out there?
No.
Then why are you dressing up so much?
Cause I gotta get. It puts me in the mindset.
Okay.
Dad said we should have pulled the truck in.
13 inches of snow.
13?
About exactly.
Okay, I want to get it before you close the door.
I'm getting my
He's
boots
doing
off.
okay. He's doing okay.
How long are we going with
So that was...
Does it look tilted to you?
It's fine.
It's fine.
11 o'clock, and it's about up to about 15-inch mark. I'm going to follow them around to look at the drifts in the front yard.
Ripple out by Isaac's car.
Looks like we built a snow ramp.
Yeah, and you see this bubble right there, too? This is a good art project for shading.
Yeah, it is.
I'm so glad the truck's in the garage.
Thanks.
Yeah.
When we have school in 2 days, I gotta dig my car out.
The drift on the eave up there is pretty thick.
Oh.
Oh, that's kind of scary. You know what?
So the center of the drift got to be 16 inches deep, but you can see how it drifted. That actually, it's at least, it's almost 2 feet deep here at the crest line of the actual drift that is right outside our back door. Literally. This is the driveway, which was plowed out last night about 9 o'clock by our neighbor. And you can tell that they've been down our street.
Can you open another shovel full?
Yep.
Did you get her?
Yeah. Dad might have been right. I should have backed the truck in last night.
Or maybe your husband was right and going to work today is dumb.
It'll be most nice of them to use their own.
Look at some of the size of the snowballs.
They're humongous.
That looked kind of closed.
It was closed last night too.
That's closed. Kind of looks like a Sunday. The highway was kind of plowed off. The side streets are not yet. Some of them are.
Excuse me.
Today's the dig out day.
This will probably be good that you're dropping me off because
They can plow.
they can plow and I don't have the truck in the way.
I know. I'm good. Plus, I got to get out and see the tent. Which is kind of cool. Feels like I'm going to the tent. Wow, they haven't plowed off the square at all yet.
Whoa. It's so deep.
Golly.
Okay, here we go.
It's unplowed. Oh, maybe not.
Oh, it's had at least one swipe. Ooh.
Man, that guy flicked that last one way up in the air.
This
Must
one
be a kid. Look at him.
shoveling.
Oh, he's just
Trying to clear the stacks, all he's doing.
Oh, it is a kid. A couple of them, I could tell by how high he was flicking it. An old man would be like, "That's high enough." He's like, snowblower in it.
He's got energy.
Made my back hurt watching him. It's funny to watch the minefield roads where people were parked on the side of the road. And you can kind of see where they were.
Oh.
Oh, your life sucks.
There is no plowing that is. Oh, somebody's out plowing.
It's just snow blowing.
It's Steve.
Just snow blowing the sidewalk. Maybe he's gotten far enough out for you to walk. But I don't think I'm driving up in there.
Oh, is he done a pack?
I'm not going to get in there.
Oh.
Good snowblower. Doesn't sound healthy.
Yeah, no, sounds like it's working way hard.
It's like she's something.
Okay, the back door looks like it's been shoveled out back there.
That's where he keeps the snowblower.
Oh, makes sense.
He just plowed from that one door. You can't get it to front.
The snow is halfway up that door.
I can't tell if you're talking to me or that.
This is the door that the kids come in every morning, the walking kids.
Yeah.
I think we could have had school today. Just saying.
Yeah. This was not a hard call.
No.
Look at that awesome shoveling job. Yeah, that's right. Look at that crevice. There's Whitey out his four-wheeler. You see if you can zoom up on him. Yeah, he's pretty cool. Oops, that was my finger. So, we got our tracks going. Kind of dug out our little cars a little bit. But look, I think that's pretty impressive.